There are moments when a gadget doesn't just look new, it feels like a glimpse of what's coming next. Holding the new iPhone Air for the first time gives exactly that impression. ये फ़ोन काफ़ी थिन एंड लाइट है और हाथ में एकदम अलग लगता है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक इट्स फ्लोटिंग। एप्पल ने इस बार डिज़ाइन और फील पर खास ध्यान दिया है और वो हर एंगल से नोटिसेबल भी है। टुडे वी आर टेकिंग आवर फर्स्ट लुक एट द iPhone Air, Apple's slimmest ever iPhone. ये iPhone मेड इन इंडिया है और ये मॉडल डिज़ाइन और परफॉर्मेंस दोनों को एक नई तरीके से बैलेंस करने का प्रॉमिस भी करता है। The iPhone Air was launched at a starting price of rupees 1,19,900. It's available on Apple's official stores, Reliance Digital, Chroma, Vijay Sales, Blinkit, as well as third-party resellers like Imagine and others. बॉक्स के अंदर आपको मिलता है iPhone Air, एक ब्रेडेड USB-C चार्जिंग केबल और सारे एसेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स। As usual, for Apple devices, a charger will need to be purchased separately. Now, when it comes to design, this is the sleekest iPhone yet, which is just 5.6mm thin. The in-hand feel is quite satisfactory. The moment you hold it, you notice how light and refined the design is. The titanium frame and the ceramic shield 2 protection makes the build sturdier, while the touch and finish feels premium and very smooth. On the front, there is a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR display with ProMotion up to 120 Hz. The bezels are incredibly slim and with peak brightness reaching 3000 nits, which means outdoor usage should not be a problem at all. Inside, the iPhone Air is powered by Apple's new A19 Pro chipset, which is designed to balance both performance and efficiency. Now, during our initial use, gaming, creative tasks, and AI-driven features ran smoothly without issues. Supporting this chip are the N1 wireless chip and the C1X modem, which made connectivity faster and more stable. Now, on the software side, it runs iOS 26, which introduces new liquid glass design and Apple Intelligence features including live translation, smarter call screening, and enhanced visual intelligence tools. Despite its slim design, the iPhone Air's battery performance is quite impressive. Thanks to the internal architecture and Apple Silicon optimizations, all-day usage seems easily achievable. The new adaptive power mode even learns your usage patterns and conserves battery more intelligently. The camera system also brings a fresh experience with iPhone Air. On the back, there is a 48MP wide fusion setup that covers multiple focal lengths and captures detailed shot even in low light. On the front, you get an 18MP center stage camera which automatically adjusts the frame as per the subjects, which is ideal for selfies and video calls. Plus, the iPhone Air comes with the dual capture feature, which lets you record using both front and rear cameras at the same time. This makes it a handy feature for vlogging or content creation. Apart from all this, iPhone Air's design also includes the action button and camera control, which are pretty handy buttons for quick shortcuts. The eSIM-only setup also frees up internal space and makes connectivity simpler, especially while traveling. The phone even supports Dolby Vision 4K recording at 60 fps and spatial audio capture, which makes videos more immersive and engaging. तो ये था हमारा फर्स्ट लुक at the new iPhone Air. Slim, light, and it offers an entirely different iPhone experience. But the complete review of this iPhone is still pending, with more testing yet to be done. आपको iPhone Air का कौन सा फीचर सबसे ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा, नीचे हमें कमेंट्स में लिख के ज़रूर बताइए। और फुल डिटेल्ड रिव्यू के लिए चैनल पे बने रहिए। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।